Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk with Spake.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Tyler.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English in a slow, clear, friendly way.
And today we have a really helpful topic. We are talking about healthy habits.
The small things we do every day to feel better, live better, and be happier.
But before we begin, we have one tiny request.
Yes, if you're enjoying these lessons, please like this video and subscribe to Talk with Spake so you never miss our new English conversations.
Your support truly helps us grow. Thank you so much.
All right, Tyler, let's begin.
Let's do it.
So, Tyler, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty well. A little tired, but good overall. How about you?
I'm good. Actually, I feel really fresh today.
Fresh? That sounds nice. Why do you feel fresh?
Well, last night I did something very simple. I went to bed early.
Oh, wow. That is a healthy habit. What time did you sleep?
Around 10 p.m., and I woke up at 6 a.m. It felt amazing.
8 hours. That's perfect. I should try that. I usually go to sleep way too late.
Why do you sleep late?
I guess I get caught on my phone at night. Scrolling, watching videos, reading things.
Ah, yes, the phone trap. Many people have this habit, even me sometimes.
But you're right, Grace. Sleep is probably the first healthy habit people should care about.
Okay, so we talked about sleep. Now let's talk about the morning.
Good idea. Morning habits are really powerful.
Tyler, what is the first healthy thing you do after waking up?
Honestly, the first thing I do is drink a big glass of water.
Ah, that's a great habit. Hydration first.
Yes, I feel like it wakes my body up. It feels refreshing.
Same. I do that too. Water helps your brain, your skin, everything.
Exactly. And after water, I usually stretch a little bit. Just a simple stretch.
Stretching is so good for the body. Do you do yoga or just basic stretching?
Just basic stretching. My body is not yoga flexible like yours.
That's okay. Healthy habits don't need to be perfect. They just need to be consistent. So, Tyler, after stretching, what do you usually do next?
Well, after a few minutes of stretching, I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. And honestly, breakfast is one of the healthiest parts of my day.
Really? That's great. What do you usually eat?
Sometimes oatmeal, sometimes eggs, but I always add some fruit. Blueberries, strawberries, something colorful.
Ooh, I love that. Colorful food is healthy food.
Exactly. And I try not to eat anything too heavy in the morning. If I eat very oily or fried food, I feel slow and tired.
Same. Actually, many nutritionists say your breakfast sets the tone for your whole day.
Yes, if you eat well in the morning, you feel good from the beginning.
I think many people feel scared when they hear healthy habits. They imagine big changes or strict routines.
Right, but actually, healthy habits are little things that make your day better.
Yes. For example, drinking water, stretching, taking a small walk.
Or choosing fruit instead of a sugary snack.
Exactly. Small choices create big results over time.
Grace, what is one small healthy habit you do every day?
I would say I try to stand up every hour when I'm working.
Oh, that's a great one. Sitting for too long is not good for the body.
Yes. And sometimes I just walk around my room for 1 minute. It sounds small, but it helps a lot.
Grace, here's something people forget. Healthy habits aren't only about the body.
Yes, absolutely. Mental health habits are just as important.
Like taking a few minutes to breathe and relax,
Or writing a short journal entry.
or spending 5 minutes sitting in silence before your day begins.
Yes. Or taking a break when your mind feels tired.
Self-care is a healthy habit too.
Okay, Tyler, here's a big one. Exercise.
Ah, yes. Exercise is important, but many people think it must be 1 hour at the gym.
Not true at all. Even 10 minutes of movement can help.
Exactly. Stretching, walking, dancing, anything.
What is your favorite way to exercise?
I honestly like walking. A long walk in the evening feels amazing to me.
Me too. Walking is simple, but so powerful.
Grace, here's something interesting. Healthy eating isn't only what you eat, it's how you eat.
Yes,
Eating slowly, chewing properly, enjoying your food.
exactly.
Sometimes people eat too fast and don't even taste the food.
I used to do that. Now I try to eat mindfully. It helps digestion and helps me feel satisfied.
I like that. Mindful eating is a calm habit.
Tyler, can we list some simple healthy habits our viewers can try?
Yes, let's do it.
Simple healthy habits anyone can try.
Drink a big glass of water every morning. Stretch for 2 to 5 minutes. Take a short walk. Sleep earlier. Eat more fruit and vegetables. Reduce screen time at night. Journal for a few minutes. Practice deep breathing. Eat slowly and mindfully.
Take breaks while working.
These habits are small but powerful.
Yes, just choose one or two and start.
So, Tyler, we talked about small habits, but I think there's something we all deal with: stress.
Oh, yes. Stress is a big part of modern life. Work, family, phones, notifications. Everything moves so fast.
Exactly.
And sometimes we don't even realize how stressed we are until our body feels tired.
Or our mind feels heavy.
Right. So a healthy routine must include ways to reduce stress.
Grace, what do you do when you feel stressed?
Honestly, I breathe. Just slow, deep breaths. It sounds simple, but it calms my body and my thoughts.
I love that. Breathing is the easiest tool we have, and it's free.
Exactly. What about you, Tyler?
When I feel stressed, I like to take a short walk outside. Even 5 minutes can clear my mind.
Yes, walking is like medicine for stress.
And sometimes, I just stop everything for a moment and ask myself, am I okay right now?
That's beautiful. Checking in with yourself is a habit too. Another part of a healthy lifestyle is balance.
Yes, work-life balance is so important, but also one of the hardest things to manage.
People feel pressured. They want to work more, achieve more, be productive all the time.
But our bodies are not machines. We need rest. We need fun. We need quiet moments.
Absolutely. Sometimes rest is productivity.
So true. If you rest well, you work better later.
Tyler, do you ever feel guilty for resting?
Yes, sometimes, but I'm learning to change that.
Same. We live in a world that celebrates being busy, but rest is not laziness.
Rest is fuel. Just like a car needs gas, your body needs rest.
Exactly. And resting doesn't always mean sleeping. It can be sitting quietly, listening to soft music, reading something you enjoy, taking a short nap, talking to someone you love.
Yes, anything that makes your mind feel lighter.
Okay, Tyler, let's talk about something very important. How to build a healthy routine that actually works.
Yes, because everyone's life is different.
Exactly. Some people wake up early, some wake up late. Some work at an office, some work at home. Some have kids, some live alone.
So a routine is not one size fits all. It must fit your life.
Right, and it starts with small, realistic steps.
If you try to change everything at once, you will fail.
Yes, start with one tiny thing, like
Drink water in the morning.
stretch for 1 minute, take a 5-minute walk, sleep 15 minutes earlier.
When that becomes easy, add one more habit.
Exactly. Step by step, you build a routine that feels natural.
Grace, here's something we must tell our viewers.
Yes?
It's okay to miss a day. It's okay to feel tired. It's okay to start again.
Absolutely. Healthy living is not perfection, it's consistency.
Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small progress.
Yes, every small improvement is still improvement. So, Tyler, we talked about mornings, meals, habits, but there is one part of a healthy lifestyle that affects everything.
Oh, yes. Sleep.
Exactly. Without good sleep, nothing works well. Not your mind, not your body, not your emotions.
Many people underestimate how powerful sleep is. Good sleep is like a reset button for your whole system.
Yes, but many adults don't sleep well because of stress, phones, work, or irregular routines.
Grace, what does your night routine look like?
It's simple. About 1 hour before bed, I try to slow down. No heavy tasks, no fast conversations.
That's a good idea. Mental slowing is just as important as physical rest.
Yes, I make tea, I clean my space a little, I write a few lines in my journal, just small things that tell my brain, hey, it's time to relax now.
I love that. Do you use your phone at night?
I try not to. I keep it away from my bed because the blue light makes my brain feel awake.
Same here. When I scroll at night, I sleep badly and I wake up tired.
People think a healthy lifestyle means exercise or diet, but actually, sleep controls everything.
Yes, if you sleep well, your mood is better, your energy is higher, your stress is lower, your body recovers faster, your mind works clearly.
Exactly. Sleep is not optional, it's essential.
Grace, how many hours do you think adults should sleep?
Ideally, 7 to 9 hours, but I think quality matters more than number.
Totally. Deep sleep is the real magic.
Tyler, can I say something important?
Of course.
A healthy lifestyle is not only about the body, it's also about your heart and your mind.
Yes, emotional wellness, taking care of your feelings, is a huge part of living well.
Exactly. If your mind is stressed, your body feels it too.
And sometimes the healthiest habit is talking to someone you trust.
Yes, sharing your feelings, expressing your stress, being honest with yourself.
And remembering you are not alone.
Here are some gentle habits anyone can try. Write down how you feel. Talk to a friend. Take slow, deep breaths. Listen to calming music. Practice gratitude. Spend time in nature. Say no when you feel overwhelmed.
These small habits can make your emotional world feel lighter and safer.
Yes, kindness to yourself is a habit too.
Now, Grace, let's talk about something interesting. Motivation.
Ah, yes. People say, I will be healthy when I feel motivated.
But motivation comes and goes.
Exactly. Motivation is like weather, it changes. But discipline is like the ground, it stays.
Discipline means you do the small habit even when you don't feel like it.
Yes, not perfectly, just consistently.
You don't need strong motivation every day. You just need gentle discipline.
Tyler, people often want fast results.
Yes, but healthy living is not a quick fix. It's a long, beautiful journey.
Exactly. Your body changes slowly, your mind changes slowly, your habits grow slowly.
And that's okay. Slow progress is still progress.
And every small change you make today becomes a big result in the future.
Grace, if you could give one final message to our viewers, what would it be?
I would say, be gentle with yourself. Start small. Choose habits that feel good. Listen to your body.
Beautiful. And I would add, you deserve a healthy, peaceful life, and you can create it step by step.
Yes, a healthy lifestyle is not punishment. It is a gift you give to yourself.
And you don't need to be perfect, just present.
Every small step is a victory, and we believe in you. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We truly loved this conversation.
And we hope it helped you feel a little more calm, a little more inspired, and a little more confident about building healthy habits.
Remember, you don't need big changes, just small steps taken with kindness.
If today's lesson felt helpful, please give this video a like. It really supports our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk with Spake for more soft, simple, everyday English conversations.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and stay gentle with yourself. Bye for now.